Forex traders. Welcome to Daily Trends Forex Trading Strategy Complete Package, helping you reach your financial freedom. This strategy is brought to you by Forex Central. Enjoy learning. What is Daily Trends Forex Trading Strategy? The Daily Trends Forex Trading Strategy is a popular trading strategy that has been around for a while now. It is a trend-following strategy that typically trades based on the daily, 4 hours and 1 hour chart. The Daily Trends Forex Trading Strategy is based on the premise of following trends. The trader will buy when the price of the currency pair starts to increase and sell when it starts to decrease. The trader will do this in order to profit from the movement in price, which can be either up or down. Thank you for watching. See the next video to learn more about daily Forex trading strategy, helping you reach your financial freedom. Brought to you by Forex Central team. If you want to know more about this strategy, visit us at www.https://forexcentral.online.